for sticking with us. It's now performance time on PA Live. Kitty Jones is with us today from KITS Interactive Theater in East Stroudsburg. Great to see you.
Well, it's nice to be here. Thank you for having me.
You look fabulous.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
So we're taking a step back in time. You have an upcoming production that's happening in February. It's about the American Revolution. Tell us about it.
I do. Well, like all my shows, it combines history, music, dance, and a lot of interaction. The audience members become the different characters in the show.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So it's a great way to learn history and, of course, have a lot of fun.
That's awesome. All right, and you're going to give us a little sample of the show today?
I am.
All right, Kitty, take it away.
Thank you so very much. Well, my dear friends, my name is Abigail Datchery, and I have traveled all the way from the colony of Massachusetts to listen to the first public reading of the Declaration of Independence. And I have brought here with me one of my dearest friends. He is a true patriot, an extraordinary speaker, a marvelous dancer, and I might add a rather capable brewer. He is my dear friend, undoubtedly yours, the beloved Mr. Samuel Adams. I must tell you today he's looking very pretty. Mr. Adams, will you join us here? Mr. Adams, come forward, my love. Oh, sweet my friend, as is the fashion of the day. Look here, my love, look here. Oh, that is excellent. Oh, and sir, we would not want you to be without your cloak.
Of course
There
not.
you are, darling. Look at this, and you're all in black. It is perfect indeed. Now, Mr. Adams, that is striking. Now, sir, you and I do possess a little secret, do we not?
Oh, we do.
Well, did you wish to share it with all gathered here, or shall I do it?
Well, is it about my excellent beer making skills?
Well, there's a little bit of that, but it's your other secret. May I share?
Please share.
Perfect. Now, my friends, Mr. Adams happens to be one of the finest dancers this side of the Mississippi, perchance on the other, or on the other side of the Atlantic for that matter. I've not spent enough time there to know. Why don't we show them what a marvelous dancer you are, shall we?
Really?
I think so. My darling, why don't you stand here, as after all, a lady on the left is no lady at all. Now, we are going to start, I forget, did you want to do the dance we learned 2 months ago or 3 months ago?
It's all new to me, so you can pick.
Perfect. We'll do the one 3 months ago. I'll refresh your memory. Darling, we are going to start with some distance betwixt one another, and we start palm to palm thusly. And all we're going to do is step together and apart, together and apart. Well, my lord, let us just show them, shall we?
Okay.
We step together and apart, both hands in the air, my lord, and simply circle one time in place. Then, as the lady, I will scurry around you once, scurry, 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 scurry. Then, sir, you will strut around me, swinging your arms all the way around. That is magnificent indeed. Then, for the final step, palm to palm, other hand behind your back, my lord, and we simply walk in a circle with our partner. Oh, you are impressing everyone here and the other way, my friend. Left hand to left hand, other hand behind your back.
Behind the back.
And of course, end with a little bow and I a curtsy. Excellent, my lord. Now, I must tell you, after reenacting the Boston Massacre, the Boston Tea Party, Paul Revere's Midnight Ride, I am hoping that if we do win this war with Britain, I hope that hundreds of years from now, we do have a nation, like our Declaration says, where all men and women are created equal. If so, it will be because of the courage of men like Samuel Adams, John Adams, Paul Revere, George Washington, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, these extraordinary, forward-thinking men, and of course, the women who supported them. Oh, thank you, dear.
Oh, Kitty, that was great.
Oh, thank you,
I think we're up for an Oscar now after that one, right? Oh my goodness, that was so fun. So if you want to catch the whole show, you can see it in February. Give us those details quick.
Yes, it's February 16th at the Pocono Cinema and Cultural Center in East Stroudsburg at 10 a.m. Bring the whole family. It is very enjoyable.
And just so you guys know at home, I had no idea this was going to happen. I didn't know it was Sam Adams today. Love his beer, though, so happy to join in for that. But
you made a marvelous
It was
Sam
very
Adams.
fun, so you'll get to kind of have an experience like that where you're pulled up like I was and have some fun with it.
Terrific.
All right, Kitty, thanks so much for stopping by.